You may have heard about people earning money in YouTube. And now you would like to jump in and take the serious challenge. One of the key disciplines to be successful in YouTube is consistency. That is, consistency in creating videos for the long run. In this course, let's couple consistency with speed. And that speed is speed in creating awesome videos. Introducing Camtasia. Camtasia is a simple, easy to use, and easy to set up all-in-one screen recorder and a video editor. It will help you speed up creating awesome and professional looking videos in no time. Hi, my name is Jomark. I am a content creator and for years an instructor with Mechaniweb, a TechSmith authorized reseller. In this course, I will share my workflows and strategies in creating videos using Camtasia for YouTube. Some of the topics in this course are tweaking the settings of Camtasia and its recorder for success, creating a talking head video, creating a brand intro video, and utilizing voice narration, and many more. Log in or sign up and let's get your first YouTube video uploaded.